How to download Roblox on laptop. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So downloading Roblox on a laptop, Windows or Mac is really easy and free. So here is a step-by-step guide. So in order to do that, you need to first go ahead and open your Google Chrome web browser and then go to roblox.com, which is the official website. Once you're there, log into your account and then tap on the game that you'd like to play. Once the game page is loaded, tap on this play icon over here, and this will prompt a download if Roblox isn't installed in your computer. So download the Roblox Player Launcher.exe, Windows, or Roblox.dmg on Mac, and open the file and follow the on-screen instructions to install. So once installed, you can launch Roblox from the browser or the app shortcut. So this version is optimized for Windows and includes built-in updates. Roblox automatically updates when you launch it, and you must use a browser or the Microsoft Store version to initially launch the games. Once installed, clicking play on any game will open the Roblox player automatically. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.